We Hustle Daily. What's going on, Hustle Nation? Welcome back to another video, man. It's your boy Big Play Ray coming to y'all with another video. Okay, guys, and in today's video, let me show y'all what we got right here. We got the Fender. We about to work on the Fender. We got it right here. So we about to put this Fender on the car. Now, what I noticed is I didn't even need to buy that thing. I bought that extra piece from the man yesterday. And if y'all watched yesterday's video, I bought that extra piece for him for $5. But I don't even need it. This one was already good, so all I gotta do is plug this one up. It's a little broken, as you can see right there, but like I'm not even about to make my job harder, bro. I'm gonna just keep this, you feel me? But I was just gonna, wire it up green, black, but I'm not even gonna do it. I'm gonna just plug it right on up to the Fender. So I did test fit the Fender, and I can tell you guys that the door, when you open it, you do hear that little noise when you open the door, so that sucks. So hey, it is what it is, guys. So I'm about to set the tripod up. I'm about to put the Fender back together, and then yeah, we might even take a ride today. So let's see what we got. But first, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, join the Hustle Nation, follow me on all social media platforms, in the link in the description below, and make sure you go to whdacademy.com. You interested in learning how to buy and sell cars? All right, let's get it, guys. So I put the Fender on the best way I could. It's not perfect. I didn't put it on there super tight all the way. So like I just put it on here, and I did not even damn shit. Yeah, I didn't even snap it down there. I probably will snap it down, but not right now. Because of this, I want to know if this could be fixed, or then I still got to get the clips for this. So, oh, it didn't sound bad right there. Maybe it won't make noise. Hold up. See, it's probably gonna, you know what I'm saying? So I don't want to open it and mess it up, So I probably am just going to, yeah, see, it's gonna be kind of messed up. So that's why I don't really want to open it, and I don't want to put it down all the way, because I don't want this shit to break, even though, because it's, okay, let's just say that's locked on there. See how it's gonna open and bend my damn Fender. So I don't know, I'm about to just have a little fun, take a little ride in it, and that's it. But y'all see, this shit need to be fixed, man. But I don't know, I'm not even gonna put this on there yet. But let's go downstairs and see what it's looking like. All right, ladies and gentlemen, and I did get so off a little bit, man. You can kind of see it's not perfect, man, but it does line up. Looks like this is bent just a little bit. Probably can bend that in place just a little bit, but other than that, it is on here. I actually put it on all the way, guys. I got one screw in there, I got the 2 screws right here, and I got 2 screws that's right here. I didn't even put this all the way on, I just lifted it up, but it's 2 screws right here, and then the Fender goes on. That's the only thing that is held on with, and the door right is working now. So that's good. I just had to put it on all the way. This trim be falling a little bit, and there you go. So you can see, you can hear it. No marks. No thumping or nothing. See if the hood, how it looks with that. It does have that gap right there. Yeah, it does got that gap right there. It's not gonna be perfect, y'all, of course, but it is put together. I can drive it like this. I am gonna actually drive it like this. So yeah, man, it's starting to come together, y'all. It's starting to come together. I still gotta get some JB Weld though, and yeah, about to take this thing on the road, man. What's up, Hustle Nation? This video has been sponsored to you by whdacademy.com, the online course that's going to teach you everything you need to know about the auction game, all my tips on how to properly inspect cars, and most importantly, how to make money. As you can see, I've been doing this for a while, and as you can also see, I have plenty of testimonials on how I've helped others gain success in this business. So if you're interested in learning, be sure to click the link in the description below. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are on the road, man. I actually been driving like I got sense, actually. But I've been whipping this thing, man. I meant to record earlier, but I didn't record, man. I just now getting out in the car. It's riding good. Ain't no check engine light. The check engine light is good. So, man, today is my lucky day. I got the check engine light to go. I got the car to pass. I got the Buick to pass emissions today, and like this Pontiac would pass emissions right now. But of course, there's no emission stations open. So, yeah. Now that code, because it was a system 2 lean code, so that code might be like intermediate. Like it may come on and off depending on how you drive the car, because the car got a cam in there. So that's what I'm thinking, because now like everything's good. I just checked it on this computer and everything's good with this thing, man. So, man, I'm excited. I'm happy with it. As far as the frame, like I say, man, we'll see how much they charge us. If not, we're gonna roll like this. We gotta see how much paint is gonna cost. And oh, let me show off in front of the dude with the dealer tag. Hold up. Let me show off. Just passed him up with the dealer tag, man. Yeah, passed the other dealer up, dog. I'm sorry I had to do you like that, bro. But yeah, man, I'm excited, man. This thing ride good. Oh, it should say cruise is on. You gotta turn that shit off. Cruise should not be on. How you turn that shit off? Ooh. I must have... Alright, I must have pushed something. I don't even know how to get the cruise off, y'all. So we gotta figure out how to do that. Let me see. Is that this button? Ah, shit. Man, I don't know what's going on, guys. So let me play with this. And yeah, I gotta get that cruise off. How do I get that off? Tire pressure, customized settings, odometer, range. Alright, I might even have to Google it, y'all. I don't see it on here. So I don't know what I done did. But yes, sir, yes, man, we are riding. So I'll be back with y'all in a minute. Let me figure out how to turn this off. Tell me that I'm done. Yes, sir. Alright, y'all, I'm probably want to wrap the video up right here, but y'all see what's going on. I like it. I'm loving it, guys. It looks way better now that I got the other side on. You feel me, man? So we good to go, dog. Good to go. It ain't looking that bad no more. Y'all see what's going on. We got a new door. We got the new Fender on. You know, it might be the thumbnail. I don't know. Let me see. It might be. Yeah. I wish it was like nighttime though. Not nighttime. I wish it was in the morning, so I could get emissions. Ooh, it's barking. Lord have mercy. Lord have mercy. But yeah, y'all see what's going on. I think it say the tire pressure, since the tires is fault, but all the tires look good. I don't really feel like pulling that thing out, even though I did bring it with me just in case. I was just so thirsty that I had to drive it, guys. I was just so thirsty I had to get on the road with it. And it, like you see, it is kind of lower too. It looks like way lower in the back though, if you ask me. See, the front look kind of the back, you know what I'm saying? Unless it's supposed to sit like that, I don't know. But shout out to the whole Hustle Nation, man. Y'all let me know what y'all think about it in the comments below. Having fun with this thing. We're gonna see how much we can get this thing painted for. We're gonna see how much we can how much they'll charge to pull that frame out a little bit for us. And then we might even be selling it, man. I don't know, but I'm gonna drive it until I sell it. First time buying a salvage title. I got really lucky by being able to really drive this thing out, because y'all know I don't know nothing about body work, y'all. Nothing, zero at all, bro. But I am a bit mechanically inclined, so I used to work on cars, but never like body work or nothing like that. You feel me? But, you know, and I might be a little rusty now because, like I say, it's been a long time, guys. But appreciate y'all, man. I love y'all. Shout out to the whole Hustle Nation again, man. Y'all hear that thing sounding like a beast, bro. I actually like this car as well because you don't see them a lot on the street, man. I'm all about being different. I really don't want nothing else everybody got. It's not the fastest car in the world, but it is fast. It's probably the fastest car that I ever personally bought myself. Like I told y'all, the fastest car I ever drove was a Bentley, like a Bentley Continental coupe. But shout out to the whole Hustle Nation, man. Let me get to doing what I need to be doing. It's your boy Ray, Big Play Ray, man. I'm out. Appreciate y'all. Love y'all. Peace.